You don't need a big audience to start a membership. You need the right people. Because here's what no one tells you. A large audience doesn't automatically mean engagement or trust or conversions. You can have 1,000 followers and still feel like no one is listening. But if you even have 10 to 20 to 30 people who resonate with what you're saying, trust your perspective, and feel seen by you, that's enough to start. And I want you to really hear this. Memberships are not built on volume. They're built on alignment. And here's what alignment looks like. It looks like people saying, that's exactly what I needed. It looks like people replying to your stories. It looks like people engaging with your thoughts, not just liking your post. That's your real audience. And this is where most people focus on the wrong thing. They chase reach. They want followers, more views, more visibility. But what actually grows a membership is authority and trust. Authority is when people listen to you because of how you think. They see you as a thought leader. Trust is when they believe you have the solution and you can guide them. And both of those are built in your stories, your conversations, your conversations, and your consistency, not just your follower count. So instead of asking, how do I grow my audience? Start asking, am I building trust with the people already here? Because 10 aligned people who trust you will move faster than 1,000 people who barely know you. And when you focus on that, your membership doesn't feel like something you have to sell. It becomes something that people naturally want to be a part of. And you genuinely know you can help them. You genuinely know you can help them transform their lives. If this shifted your perspective, start paying attention to who's actually and already engaging with you. That's your foundation. Build from there.